How to download and install CapCut on PC. Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Without any further delay, let us get started. In order to download and install CapCut in your PC, first of all, you have to go ahead and search for your Microsoft Store. Click on to open, and at the top search bar, you have to type in CapCut. Now, this is the application that you should have in your device, so click onto it. And here you will see install. Click on to install and wait till this gets downloaded into your PC. And once this application has been installed in your device, you will see its shortcut here. Click double to open it. Close this window and click it again. Just like so, you will be able to see this screen. I already had my previous project, so it's coming off as this. In order to add a new project, click on to new project or create project here. And then it will give you directions of how it works. Click on to import. From here, select any video that you would like to work on. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. If it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe.